Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I am super pumped about today's video because your girl has been hard at work and I am bringing out my second, yes, I brought out my second vegan packaged product. So today is going to be all about this product, and it is none other than, well, let me show you. That's right, your girl came out with her own vegan pancake and waffle mix. That's right. And I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to whip up the Cotton Creations vegan pancakes today in this video. And I'll do a separate video for the waffles. And then we're gonna get real creative because we ain't gonna stop there. We're gonna be doing what? Donuts and fried Oreos and all sorts of things, funnel cakes, okay? So anyway, if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's hop into it. First, we're gonna make our vegan buttermilk by combining unsweetened vegan milk and some apple cider vinegar. And we're also gonna add in that vanilla extract, give it a quick stir, and set it aside for about 4 to 5 minutes until it curds. Next, we're gonna go ahead and measure out our Cotton Creations pancake mix according to the measurements on the back of the bag and add that to a mixing bowl. And then to that, we're gonna go ahead and add in our liquids. And you want to go ahead and gently stir that together, making sure everything is nice and combined, but just don't over mix it, meaning you want some lumps to still be in there. And I'll show you later what that consistency looks like. But definitely make sure it's all combined, but just don't over stir it. And these are the lumps that you're looking for. So as you can see, the batter is fully combined, but there are still some lumps. And then we're going to go ahead and let that batter rest for about 5 minutes. The more you let it rest, the more fluffy the pancakes. To a hot skillet, you want to go ahead and add some cooking oil or some cooking spray or butter, whatever your choice. And then we're going to go ahead and cook our pancakes on a medium, low, or just medium heat. And we're going to cook them until they are golden brown on both sides. Now, when it comes to toppings, you can go all out if you want and try different ones. You can always add in fruit like strawberries, blueberry pancakes. You can do sprinkles for a funfetti pancake. So whatever you want, you can add to it, or you can do just the classic original with just the vanilla extract and your vegan buttermilk. To mine, I'm just gonna add some vegan chocolate chips, and then I'm also going to do a cinnamon pancake as well. But of course, you can add whatever toppings you want or fruit. Now it's time to serve them. You can always add some vegan butter to the top of them, and then whatever fruit or toppings that you like, whipped cream, vegan whipped cream, syrup, any of those things go great with these Cotton Creations vegan pancakes. All right, so let me know what you guys think of my product, my Cotton Creations vegan pancake and waffle mix. I promise you, just like the cornbread, you cannot tell it's vegan. It is just delicious food, okay? But we didn't use any animal products, that's it. And you see how easy it is. It only requires 2 ingredients, well, really 3 if you factor in the flavoner. But anyway, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you want to get this product, hit my website, cottoncreationsllc.com, or you can go to walmart.com and grab you a bag from there. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.